Alright, so this is about the Wolfbox air duster. I got all these USB-C cables plugged in, and I'm going to show you that it's not working. I don't know where to set my phone at here. But, okay, this one's plugged in. Nice and clicked in. No blue light. No power. Just to show you that this thing works. There you go. I could try another cable. They're all brand new cables. Everything's brand new. I'm a certified IT technician. So, no blue lights, nothing. No power. I hold it down. Alright, hold on. Hold it down. I go. Nothing. It's not cheap. So, yeah, no good. I've only had it for 2.5 months, give or take, something like that. So, thank you.